important that you learn how to use a variety of vocabulary. I think one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of students make is that they don't use a variety. They keep repeating the same words over and over and over again. They keep saying increase, decrease, increase, decrease, increase, decrease, increase, decrease. Okay, you have to learn how to use a variety of adverbs and adjectives that mean the same thing. All right. So, here are some examples. And also, you have to learn how to use words that are more specific. Everything is not just in general an increase. Sometimes it might be a surge, which means it goes up right away at an angle, at a sharp angle very fast. Or it might be a rise. Okay? And you have to be able to learn how to use adverbs. Like maybe you won't say just the word rise. You might say a sharp rise, which means a rise that's going up very sharply. Or you might say a gradual rise, which means that a rise is going up slowly, step by step, little by little. Okay, so you have to learn how to use your adjectives and adverbs to make your writing more specific. Okay, to make your writing more specific. Right, here's a variety of nouns you could use in your writing. A variety of adverbs: suddenly, sharply, rapidly, abruptly, dramatically, significantly, steadily, considerably. Use this language, right? Language use is so important because language use helps you to be more specific. That's why language use is so helpful. It helps you to be more specific in terms of what you're doing. All right, so your adverbs are really, really important also. And then you have your adjectives. We saw a sharp drop in population between 1975 and 1980, using sharp, drop, instead of saying decrease. Right? So you have to use this kind of language to help you out in terms of having proper language for your writing. Right? And this is just more vocabulary that you can use in terms of for task number 1. Okay? Like here's an outline of it. There was a gradual decrease in price. There was a slow decline in the population. All right, so you have to put these combinations of words together. Okay, put the combinations of adverbs, adjectives, and put all this together to make great sentences. And you have to make these kind of sentences if you're going to be able to get a good score. So, for example, again, the price fell gradually. Okay, the population decreased slowly. This is the kind of language that you have to use to be able to get a good score. The population dropped quickly. All right, so we have to put combinations together, and if we put combinations of these words together, we're going to get a much better score in terms of for lexical vocabulary for task number 1. But you have to learn to blend in and add in this type of language into your writing. Okay? All right, so that's all in terms of vocabulary. I am going to make this vocabulary list available to you so that you